Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Takta deham punarjanma naiti. One who has understood Krishna tattata, he is immediately liberated person. He is fit for being transferred to the spiritual world. Takta deham punarjanma naiti. Punarjanma, one who does not understand Krishna, he will have to repeat birth after birth. Nivartanti mittu samsara vatmani. Unless you understand Krishna, haring vinana mritin taranti, you cannot escape death, birth, death, old age and disease. It is not possible. So, if you want actually your life successful, you must try to understand Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Then your life is successful. And to understand Krishna, no other method will help you. Krishna said, Bhakta Bhava Vijanati. Never say that I can be understood by yogic process or by karma, by jnana. The modern politicians, they stress on karma because they want to work hard like hogs and dogs. They think karma yoga. Of course, karma yoga is good, but karmis are mulas. Those are simply working hard day and night for sense gratification. They are no better than the hogs and dogs. They are no good. But karma yoga is different thing. Karma yoga means one who has got attachment for producing something, working something. So Krishna said that yes, you can do. But jat karosi, jat juhosi, jadasasi, jat tapassasi, purusatam, the result you must be to me. Anasritam karma phalam karjam karma karoti. Sasanyasi. Anyone who does not take the result of his karma, then he is sannyasi. Suppose you are a businessman, you have earned 2 lakhs of rupees, but give it to Krishna. Anasrita karma phalam. Otherwise what will you do with these 2 lakhs of rupees? If you don't take it, will you throw it away? No, I said I throw it. It should be utilized for Krishna. So the people are very much enthusiastic to earn money in this material world. You can see practically, especially in the Western world. But if they engage their profit for pushing on Krishna consciousness movement, then their money will no more be engaged in releasing atomic bomb. Otherwise, it will be used for releasing atomic bomb. I shall break your head and you shall break my head. Both of them shall finish. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,